served the people of Israel for 40 years. At the verge of him getting into, he went against God's instruction, and God told him that with your eyes have you seen, but you won't get into the land I promised for the people of Israel. A man spent 40 years, and if you're a minister of the gospel, this is the warning that God laid in your hand tonight. That you want to pray and say, my neighbors, for the kingdom will not be in vain. Can you raise your voice and begin to pray? Forget about me. Raise your voice. For those that are praying, raise your voice and begin to pray. That Jesus, can I hear the sound? That Jesus